These are the red elevators at the Tampa International Airport in Tampa, Florida. As you can see, this is within the terminal. The whole airport is divided into, I believe, the red side and the blue side, and we're on the red side. So, we're just waiting for an elevator now. There's your directory. I'll cut to when we get an elevator. We got this one. These elevators seem pretty busy, so we're just gonna take one ride up to 4, and of course come back down. This one serves a mezzanine. Let's go down to 1. So these are Schindler elevators. Here's your inspection certificate. We're gonna get a cab view. Although of course the cab is basically the same as a lot of the other elevators in this airport. Alright. And that'll be it.